National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north-central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Anna, or 13 miles northeast of McKinney, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Anna, Fairview, Princeton, Farmersville, Van Alstyne, Lowry Crossing, Melissa, Blue Ridge, New Hope, Weston, and Westminster. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.